Hey, you want potato chip? Hey. Hey, you want potato chip? Yeah! You want potato chip? Annie's favorite thing are barbecue potato chips. I think. Maybe. Hey, eat the goddamn potato chip. Yeah, the potato chip. Yeah! Yeah, potato chip. So you're gonna lick it and then not eat it. Your brother would have eaten it by now. Annie, don't lick Daddy's face. Eat the potato chip. Good girl. Glad she's eating it. Eat a potato chip. Good girl. Don't chew it up. Eat it. Once she actually tries to eat it, she likes it. Oh, Chompy Doris is going to steal your tater chips. Are you sharing tater chips? Good girl. Apparently Chompy Doris likes barbecue potato chips. Papa eats Slim Jims. Good babies. Hi, Chompy. You want to say hi, Elijah? Piggles is over here. Oh, God, I need to vacuum again.